Hi everyone, it's Gail, and it is July 12th. This is the 12th day of our hashtag Jelly Postcard Play Challenge by Ceri the Crafter. So we are going to put this one together. This one's a bold one. It's going to be fun. So yeah, here's the jelly print that we're going to use. Let's get that in place first. Okay. Alrighty then, there's that. Let's clip off this edge a little bit. There we go. All right, so then I'm going to take this little ticket with a 12 on it, because we're to put the date on each postcard. So I'm going to put that about there. This memories needs a bit of, I don't know, what would you say? Toning down of the white. Okay, so that's going to go there. And then this one, just going to do the edges of this flower. Okay, and then I need to see, I guess I'll go behind the, I think it goes this way, behind the 12, so that I don't cover up the whole 12. Something like that, I think. Okay. So let's get this all glued. I'm going to go ahead and use the art glitter glue because it's got all these little bits that I never quite get them with my glue stick. Then I have to go back with art glitter glue anyway, so might as well just do it from the get-go. Okay, so that's going to go about like that. And then let's put the ticket on. Like so. I'll line that up. And then want that there. I think I might go slightly onto the ticket with this. So we'll just write memories backwards, basically putting this glue on. Okay. And there we go. Let's also, okay, my ticket is not extremely straight, but it's okay. Okay, there is July 12th. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a grateful day. Be kind always. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.